Sena has released new HD speakers, so now let's go over the new firmware and how to get them to really rock your ride. The High Definition speaker kit is Sena's latest accessory. These speakers first appeared on the 50S, 50R, and 5S, so why not share with a few more? Notice there are two types of speakers as the wire mounts are a little different. But these are not just plug-and-play accessories. The HD speakers come with new firmware for each device, and in your device's mobile app, you can now control the audio equalizer presets. So, here are the steps to properly install your new Sena HD speakers. Step 1. Use your computer to update your device with the Sena Device Manager. Step 2. Remove your old speakers from your helmet and mount the new HD speakers. For the speakers that go on the clamp kit, you will need to unscrew the back of the clamp and reattach the new speakers.
Hello.
Step 3. Update your device's mobile app and activate the HD speakers option that will appear in the app. This will tell your device with its new firmware to crank some extra juice out to those new speakers. Plus, now you get some extra control with the new audio equalizer presets. Updating the firmware and the app lets you tune your music to make it sound the way you want, with a solid increase in clarity and bass boost. They are also a new shape with a beveled edge for a better fit on your ears and in the speaker cutouts. So now, whether you're into classical or metal, hear your ride soundtrack with clarity and the new HD speakers.